Bobcats, and welcome to Tuesday, December 8th, 2020. Today I have three pledges from Mr. Bobcat's third grade classroom, and their names are all right, if you would please stand, place your hand over your heart as we do our pledges in English. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now our Texas pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos. Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos
y a la república que representa una nación ante Dios,
indivisible, con libertad y justicia para todos. Ahora la bandera de Texas. Honro la bandera de Texas. Prometo fidelidad a ti.
Texas, un estado bajo Dios indivisible.
Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected. At home, on the bus, and during your school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus who makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please find a trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. Today is December 8th, 2020, and we have no birthdays, so happy unbirthday to you. If you know someone who is having a birthday, wish them a happy birthday. But on campus, we do not have any. All right, our announcements. We are still a No Place for Hate campus, and we will start with our pledge for No Place for Hate. We will start that Thursday. Today is Reindeer Tuesday, so I get to see all of your lovely ears. Tomorrow, we are mad about plaid. So that means that you get to wear your favorite flannel shirt or plaid shirt, or maybe you have a mask. Some of you may even have socks that are plaid. The character education theme for the month of December are honesty and integrity. Our quote of the day comes to us from early educator Fred Rogers. Honesty is often very hard. The truth is often painful. But the freedom it can bring is worth a try. With something to think about, this is Mrs. March saying make it a great day, or not. I'm so sorry, friends, they were not ready. We'll do that one more time. Make it a great day, or not.
The choice is yours.
That choice is always yours because today you choose to make it a terrific Tuesday.